Simply 2 presents 5 genius moves to make friends. I know, making friends might be overwhelming, especially if you're an introvert. That's completely okay because in this video, I'll show you guys how to make friends easily. In fact, you'll be making friends in no time. 1. Make yourself available. If you just sit there by yourself, very unlikely that someone will come and be like, hey, want to be my friend? If you want to make friends, you should be proactive. Ask other people. For example, if you're at school, instead of sitting at a table alone, waiting for someone to ask you to be their friend, go sit at a table with other people. 2. Join an organization or club to meet new people. There are tons of clubs out there, and all those clubs are filled with thousands of opportunities to make friends. So if you like to play music, why not join the band or orchestra? Or maybe it's hobby related, like if you like to knit. Or maybe you can join the football team if you like playing football. Whatever it is, try to join organizations or clubs to meet new people. 3. Try connecting with people you already know. Chances are, that kid that always sits next to you in math could be a potential best friend. Consider getting to know your classmates, your coworkers. Any of them could spark a friendship. 4. Make eye contact and smile. If you don't present a friendly and inviting appearance, people are less likely to come over and ask to be friends. When people are speaking to you, look them in the eye and smile. 5. Try a variety of conversation starters. Once you find a person that you're interested in becoming friends with, you need to start a conversation with them. This will help you connect with them and therefore start forming a friendship. There are a lot of conversation starters like the ones on the screen. Weather. At least it's not snowing like last week. Compliments. I love your shoes. Requests. Could you help me move these boxes around if you have a second? And that's it. It's not really hard to make new friends. All you basically have to do is be nice, be proactive, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!